This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Petit. Well-kept home with 3 bedrooms and an additional room that could be a bedroom, playroom, office or whatever. Frig stays. Refrigerated air. Roof is about 3 years old and has warranty. Separate laundry room and extra workspace in the 2-car garage. Completely repiped. Near Lincoln Middle School. No HOA or PID. Play/swing set in backstays. Inspections done. For more information, review the details below or contact Petit at 505-898-8899.